swear says?
Water. 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 Back to my channel, and today we are at Jamnesia Surf Camp. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll show you a video of what it's like on the inside, and hopefully I can get a lesson or two. Maybe not, but let's see. If you can't find it, it's right beside the Incubate shop. Surf Camp. To the camp. Hi, miss. Hello. Lesson in session. That's the sad thing. see?
Please for one. Ah, she can't open.
Can't open.
Don't want the tuna really nice.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh. Me not try that.
I'm gonna try it now.
Me have a good friend the puss.
You have on top. You're good.
I'm afraid bad. So guys, the sand is super hot. Alright, so hi Garen, how are you?
Doing fine.
Yeah. Alright, so here we are guys, we are at Jamnesia Surf Camp. Alright, so Garen here is going to tell me a little bit about Jamnesia, what can be done here. Give us the details.
Alright, you're out by 8 miles Bull Bay, Jamnesia Surf Camp, and this is where we teach people how to surf. And if you don't want to learn how to surf, you can also come out here and chill by the beach. And we also have a skate bowl room by the back where you can skate if you want, or learn how to skate if you don't want to learn how to surf, because a lot of people are afraid of the water.
That was
They will more like try to skate. And then we also have a skate park, which is the second skate park in Jamaica, in 8 miles Bull Bay. So you have surfing and skating out in this area if you're willing to come out to Bull Bay side at Jamnesia.
So for the persons out there who cannot swim, what would you say to those persons?
I mean, the persons out there that cannot swim, I would still recommend surfing to you guys, because where we teach surfing is somewhere that if you fall off the board, you can stand up. It's not going to be too deep, so it's not too risky,
Right.
but it can be risky.
Fair enough. You just have to be comfortable with the water.
Exactly, you just have to be comfortable.
Alright, thank you so much, Karen.
You're welcome.
But you gotta go in the. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great.
How long has it been since you've been staying here?
What is it now? A year. I
A
believe.
year. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you've been learning how to surf?
Barely.
Barely?
Actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you find, the beach and the whole Jamnesia vibe?
Living at Jamnesia, okay, so many people love to come to Jamnesia. So living here is kind of like that same feeling of like, I just feel blessed every day. It's just beautiful. The beach is right there. So it's just a very relaxing, lovely lifestyle. I'm blessed.
Okay.
So a typical day here is, okay, a weird thing about living here is there's customers when you wake up, like just like you saw me now, like I'll be going to take out my trash and stuff. So when you wake up, that's kind of hard to get used to. Sometimes you see people, and we have the surfers out here, and usually Craig is the first person you see and greet, and he handles all that. And I kind of help out with the surf thing, bring down the boards, greet guests, and that sort of thing. But it's just a very beach-centered lifestyle, so we're outside most of the day regardless. I garden, so I'll be down there doing that, and it's just an overall chill and happy lifestyle here. I'll say it's positivity every day, so
Yes.
we try to live really good and clean. So
That's good.